Doing curtsy lunges with dumbbells on sliders is an advanced variation that combines strength, stability, and mobility. Here's a step-by-step guide to perform it safely and effectively. What you'll need: 2 sliders or towels, paper plates on hardwood tile floors, a pair of dumbbells, light to moderate weight, flat open surface, target muscles, glutes, especially gluteus medius, quads, hamstrings, inner thighs, core for stabilization. How to perform curtsy lunges with dumbbells on sliders. 1. Starting position. Stand tall with a slider under each foot. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, arms down by your sides or racked at your shoulders for more core engagement. Feet hip-width apart, core engaged, shoulders back. 2. Begin the curtsy lunge. Shift your weight onto your left leg. Slide your right foot diagonally behind your left leg, crossing it as if doing a curtsy. Lower into a lunge, left thigh parallel to the ground, right knee hovering just above the floor. 3. Keep good form. Chest up, spine neutral. Front knee aligned over ankle. Don't let it cave inward. Core engaged to avoid wobbling. 4. Return to start. Press through the heel of the front left leg. Slide the back right foot back to the starting position. Squeeze glutes at the top. 5. Repeat on the other side. Switch legs. Now slide left foot behind right. Tips for success. Start without dumbbells or with very light ones to get used to the movement. Keep the movement slow and controlled, especially when sliding back. Don't let the back knee touch the ground. If you feel strain in your knees, reduce the depth of the lunge or remove the sliders. Reps and sets. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per leg. Adjust weight and reps based on your experience and goal, strength versus endurance. Please check my next video.